Okay, our next exercise is what's called a single leg squat. So this one we are going to use the chair. You're going to stand on your left leg. I want you to activate your core. Draw in right below the belly button. And what you're going to do is you're going to sit way back into a chair, keeping a curve into your back, and then come right on up. 1. So sit way back, push in through that front heel. 2. 3. Sit way back. 4. Keep that core active. 5. 6. 7. 5 more. 8. 9. 2 more. 10. 11. And 12. Let's rest for just a second, and then we're going to do the other leg. Whew. Okay, so now you're standing on your right leg. You're going to lift the left leg up, draw in right below the belly button. Sit back into a chair. 1. Sit way back and push up through that front heel. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Keep that core involved. 8. 9. 2 more. 10. 11. Nice and slow. And rest. 30 seconds. Okay, our next exercise is called the dynamic bird dog. So you're going to come down on your hands and knees. Make sure your wrists are right underneath your elbows, right underneath your shoulders. You're going to lift out the opposite arm and leg, and then you're going to bring your elbow to your knee. That's 1. And then extend right back on out. 2. 3. Keep your core drawn in. 4. 5. 6. 7. We're going to go for 12 of these. 8. 9. 10. 11. And rest. Let's take a couple breaths here. And let's do the other side. 45 degrees out, elbow to knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 more. 10. Good. 11. Last one. 30 seconds rest. Okay, let's do our second set of the single leg squats. So you're going to stand on your right leg. You're going to lift that left leg up a little bit, draw in right below the belly button towards the spine, and go ahead and sit back down, maintaining that curve in your back. 1. Nice and slow, sitting way back. 2. 3. 4. 5. Sit way back and push through that front heel. 6. 7. 8. 9. Keep your core drawn in. 10. 2 more. 11. And rest. Now let's do the other leg. So draw in right below your belly button. You're standing on your left leg, right leg up. Sit way back into the chair. 1. 2. Keep your core drawn in. And press through that left heel. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Come down real slow and push through that front heel. 10. 11. Last one. And rest. Okay, let's do our second set of the dynamic bird dog. So we're back in position, wrists are right underneath your shoulders, and we're going to go opposite hand and knee. So bring that elbow right to the knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, and 12. Rest for just 1 second. Okay, let's do the other side. So right arm up, come to the left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2 more, 10, there it is, 11, and 12. 30 seconds rest.